My name is Aleeza Nadeem and now we are back with a new video of the exercise. So in this today video, I'll try some new exercise and some new self-defense techniques that is very good for yourself and for your protection, that whenever you're in danger, so how to protect yourself. So my mother will do some self-defense technique with me. First, I will start with a warm-up exercise because before starting any exercise, you have to do warm-up. So first we'll start with the warm-up exercise. This warm-up exercise name is jumping on your toes. In this, you have to keep your hands like this and you have to jump on your toes. We'll count 10 times. And you can do this warm-up exercise in winter, so keep yourself warm also. Because in your jumping, so you're getting warm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, while we're jumping, we have to change our position, but in the jumping push, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, as we are doing sides, so now we'll do the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we'll do the same thing with moving our hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So over here we have done some warm-up jumping exercises. So now we'll move towards the exercises, stretching exercises that is very good for yourself. So let's get started with after the first. Now we'll move towards the second. If you're feeling that you need some rest, so you can take a rest, like you have to take a breath like this, in and out. Because in your jumping, so that's why you may take a rest. Because it takes energy when you're jumping, okay? You can do these exercise in the winters because while you're jumping, so it keeps you warm if you're feeling cold. You have to inhale and out. Okay, so now we'll move towards the other exercise. So the other exercise that we're gonna do today is that we have to bring our this hand backward and you have to grip it with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do the same thing with our left hand. Like this, we'll bring it back and you have to lap it over with our right hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we'll move towards the other exercise. So in this, what you have to do, you have to keep both of your hands on your shoulder and you have to move it forward and then backward. This exercise is very good for your shoulder. It keeps your shoulders strong. It makes your shoulders strong, and if you have pain in your shoulder, so it relieves the pain also, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we'll move toward backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we'll move towards the other exercise. So as we are done with the warm-up exercises, so now I think that now we should do some self-defense technique before starting our stretching exercises. That is very good for your foot. So first we'll do self-defense technique with my mother. And you know, the one great thing today in this video, that my mother is not feeling well today, but still she is here and she is performing the self-defense technique with me, and she is still there in the video. She is not feeling well, but still she is here with me. Okay, so first we will start with the first self-defense technique. Okay, in this, what you have to do, my mother will bring something like a knife, because if you go to the street, so if somebody is bringing knife towards you, so in this position, what you have to do? Okay, I will tell you what you have to do. First, you have to grip his hand. Gripping his hand means that you have to protect yourself first, and then you have to hit this part of his body and then on the face. Like this. Now I'll tell you the slow motion, I will do fast. And this. And you guys must be thinking that how we can become so much flexible. So if you practice these exercises that I told you for the stretching exercises, so this way you become flexible and you will be easy to do like this and do the self-defense technique. Okay, so here I have done first self-defense technique, so I'll do the second self-defense technique, that if somebody have grabbed your ears. So if somebody have grab your hair, so what you have to do, you have to hold his hand like this. You have to hold his hand like this. We have to bring our elbow, this part of the elbow, and you have to fold his elbow and drag the person over there. You have to do it like, okay, first you will come. This way his whole elbow will be folded and the person will be fall down. So over here now I've done with 2 self-defense techniques. So I'll do today now I'll do some stretching exercises that is very good for your foot. Okay, let's get started with the stretching exercises. So now let's continue with the exercises. So I will tell you that exercise that is very good for your foot, that make you flexible and your foot stretched. So this way you will be easily open your leg like this. You have to first we'll do with the right leg. You have to keep your hand like this and you have to bring your leg and you have to hit the leg with your hand like you have to hit your leg to the hand like this. Then it create a sound. 1, like 2. Now we'll do the same thing with the left leg. 3, like this. We will do this exercise with the right leg and we have to hit the left hand, and then when we will be doing that with the left leg, so we will hit the right hand like this. 1, 2. This makes your foot stretch. 3, 4, and this way energy also build up because in this you're moving. This is a moving motion. You have to step back and 5, step back, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so over here now I've done with the exercise. So I think now we'll be moving towards the 6th exercise. So let's get started. So in this 6th exercise, this is again the stretching exercise, but in this you have to open your leg stretching like this, forward. 1, 2. It's not very necessary or important that your stretching should come like this. It's not necessary. Your stretching could come like this also. But if you want to make it better and you're stretching full, so you practice these exercises day by day. So one day your stretching will be full. So I practice these exercises day by day, so my stretching also become full like this. Because if you leave the practice and not do the exercises, so your stretching will be again come down. But if you will be in the practice, so your stretching will be full all the time. 1. It is all dependent on exercise, that you have to do the exercise to make yourself flexible. 3, 4. You have to step back and then stretch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 10. Okay, so as we're done with the 6th stretching exercise, we have to take a breath. Okay, so as you're done with the 6th stretching exercise, and I will be moving towards the 7th exercise. So in the 7th exercise, you have to make a bridge. First, we have to make a bridge portion. Like I have a floor over here, so I'm going. So first, you have to lay down. Like you have to sit on the floor and you have to lay down on the floor. Okay, it's better that you can take a mat. I have mat, but I don't use over here. So over here, first you have to lay down on the floor. And if someone say that you have to make a bridge position first, and then we have to make a bridge. This is called, you have to hold your legs, and this is called the bridge position. And now it's time, this is a bridge position, and it's when we say make a bridge, so you have to uplift whole your body, your hands also, and your foot also, and your whole body. Okay, like this. This is called a bridge position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to came down and take a rest, because while if you are making a bridge, so it takes energy, so you have to come down and then go again up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to get up. Okay, so over here I make a bridge, and so we are done with the 7th exercise. So now we'll be moving towards the 8th exercise. That is the final exercise. So in this, what you have to do, you have to again lay down on the floor, but this exercise is different. This is stretching your legs exercise. You have to come like this, and you have to do your legs like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to bring both of your hands backward and have to move your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, in the same position, what you have to do, you have to grip both of your legs, like you have to bring both of your legs closely like this. You have to lay down on the floor and grip your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so in the same position, you have to bring both of your, I will do some cross. So you have to, in the same position, you have to bring both of your legs upwards like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And came down and get up. So these exercises are very good stretching exercises that make you flexible, make you good, make you healthy, make you fit, and there are many benefits of these exercises if you do this on daily basis, early in the morning or whenever you have time. To do this, take out some time, 5 to 10 minutes, give these 15 minutes, give these time to exercise, and you will become so much fit and active, mentally also and physically also. So that's it for today. Today we have done 8 exercises plus the self-defense technique. I hope you guys enjoyed the self-defense technique also, because it's a new thing that we add in a video. Okay, and I hope that you guys all enjoyed exercises also, and I hope that that you guys will do these exercises. Give this video maximum amount of likes, and all my previous video likes. And thank you for my mother also, that she will start feeling well and she come in the video. And thank you for watching. Give this video likes. Allah Hafiz.